need to find position, velocity, and acceleration for a particle moving along the x-axis where it has a position described by the function x equals 5t to the cubed, t cubed minus 5t plus 3.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. And that's meters.
Mm-hmm. And then t equals 2.
Is that, we're trying to find velocity at t equals 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
And position and acceleration.
Find x, v, and a
Yeah, at 2 seconds.
at t equals 2 seconds.
Yes.
Okay. So this is similar to the graph ones,
Okay.
except we have a function here instead.
Okay, but that's okay.
Right.
I'm okay with functions. Okay, so you would plug in t, right? So 2 for t,
Yep. So you could say that x equals
5.
that's 840, so 33.
Yeah. 4. $73. 7.
73 or 33?
33.
Yeah. So x, so your position at 2 is 33.
Mm-hmm.
So position's easy, you just plug t in.
Okay.
What about velocity?
So then velocity is going to be different.
Right.
So we can't just plug it in.
No.
What do we do instead?
So we look over here.
So we take the derivative.
Yep. So what's the derivative? So
So
be dx dt.
Mm-hmm.
What's the derivative of that function?
So we have. Are we going to use the one where all the 2's are plugged in, or where all the t's are?
This one.
Okay,
Because
so
this is all constants, that would give you a derivative of 0.
so is the derivative of the cubed 3 minus 1 over.
So you bring the power down.
Right. So 5 times 3.
So you do 3 times 5
Mhm.
to the 1 less power.
So 2.
Yep.
So 15 t2.
Yep.
Okay, and so then you have 1, 1, 5, 2, so just 10, negative 10. Or
You want to look at this one.
yeah. So it's just 1, the power is 1, so 1 times 5, so it's still 5t.
Well, you have to remember too, so it'd be 1 times 5 to the 1 less power, which is 2
Oh,
to
so it's
0.
0.
Which is just,
So it's 0.
well, this is actually equal to 1.
So it's just 5.
5, yeah. So you can remember, this is easier to remember if you just say, oh, if I just have 1t, then I just...
Okay, drop it.
Yeah, you just drop it.
And then just plus 3.
Well, the constant,
Mm-hmm.
this is basically like saying 3t to the 0.
So it's just 3.
So you bring the 0 down. and what
So it's
happens?
just 0.
Yep.
So it's not there.
So with,
Yeah, it just goes away. I remember that now.
yeah, so constants go away and then 5t's
Yeah.
just become 9's.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So now we have t, which is 2, so we can plug it in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 55.
Okay. Now the last one, acceleration.
Okay, so the acceleration is now that we're still taking a derivative, right?
Uh-huh. So it'll be dv dt.
Mm-hmm. Equals. Are we taking the derivative of velocity?
Yeah.
So now it's going to be 15 times 2.
30.
So 30t. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to be 60.
Yep. So you have 2 equals 60.
Okay, that was easy enough. I don't know what I was doing before.
Yeah, so it just comes down to remembering this thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then say that they've given you just a equals 30t.
Yeah,
You could find,
you can go backwards.
right, but you
Okay.
can go backwards as long as you have these plus c's.
Okay.
Because otherwise you wouldn't be able to find them. You get
Okay.
the wrong answer. So,
So they have to give me that?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, or they
You
have to
can't
give
just
you a way to-
arbitrarily throw a C in?
Yeah.
Okay,